Why does your brain replay that awkward thing you said 7 months ago when you're trying to fall asleep? You're not broken, you're human. At night, everything quiets down. This means fewer distractions for your brain. As it gets quieter, your brain's threat detection system gets louder. Your brain thinks, let's review that embarrassing moment. It believes this helps avoid future mistakes. But remember, it's not trying to shame you. It's actually trying to protect you. Our brains naturally learn from past experiences. They help us grow and improve. So, when those moments replay, don't be hard on yourself. It's just your brain at work. Next time those memories return, take a deep breath and gently bring your attention back to your breathing. You don't need to solve it at midnight tonight. Follow Assured Psychology for more helpful tips.